various exquisite models. You can see the production process on site. A full-color consumer-grade SLA device in the 50,000 yuan price range makes its debut. 3D printing cleverly integrates with the ancient casting technique, loss of wax casting, mass-producing ultra-high precision jewelry. A Delta printer achieving 1,200 mm per second printing speed with FDM, PLA with coffee grounds in it, resin that freely mixes CMYK to create any color, a super tough paper, among other materials. All made me, a 3D printing enthusiast, see one amazing thing after another. Hello everyone, I'm Zed. Today I'm invited to Formnext, one of the world's largest 3D printing exhibitions. Let's go inside together and see what's interesting. Let's first look at the highlights of the equipment. This Delta printer has a build volume of 300 mm in diameter and 279 mm in height. Its printing speed is 1000 mm per second. The extrusion flow is huge. The equipment will be launched soon. Guess how much its launch price will be? 2,799 RMB. Another new machine is about to come out. If you count that comb part, the build volume is 500 mm in diameter and 550 mm tall, and it can go at a speed of 1000 mm per second. If you place an order right there on the spot, it will cost you just 4,299 yuan. There's also a very science fiction looking printer inside, S1 Pro. According to the salesperson, this is the fastest consumer-grade 3D printer on the market with a speed of 1200 mm per second. It comes with an enclosure, allowing it to support more filaments that require controlled ambient temperature. The second thing that amazed me is from Simba 3D Printers, their upcoming 4-color SLA machine. You should know, before this, 4-color 3D printing equipment is only available at the level of the machine tool industry, and its price range from several hundred thousand to over $1 million. If you are not a large company and wanted to use 4-color SLA equipment, you can only cooperate through multiple small studios, share one device to make it cost-effective. But this device is under 50,000 yuan. Yes, that's top grade. This is unbelievable. It prints directly in color. You just need to wash off the supports and you get the finished product. No painting required. Individual users are about to enter the era of doing full-color printing at home. This is Uniformation's SLA equipment, focus on large size and easy of use. I actually pay more attention to the post-processing stage. Uniformation's solution allows you to place the entire build plate directly into the washing station. It's a sealed ultrasonic cleaner, a metal mesh inside. The used cleaning liquid can be automatically drained from the bottle pipe. You don't need to touch it during the whole process. Sunlu offers an upgrade solution for the Bamboo Lab AMS. You only need to remove 4 screws at the bottom and replace the top cover to turn it into a drying box with active drying function, and it can even set an automatic drying mode, drying while printing. There are also many highlights in 3D printing materials. Now we are here at the familiar Kexcelled filament section. The new products aren't just about new filament colors, they actually mix in the right materials to match. The tea drag series is a collaboration with Mastercon, mixing in real tea drags. You can smell a faint tea aroma. If you don't like tea but prefer coffee, there's also a coffee drag series, and the bamboo series, mixed with bamboo fiber, gives printed models a more wooden texture. This blending of materials is really interesting. I asked the staff and was told that for printing coffee PLA and tea PLA, the regular print head and parameters can be used. However, bamboo PLA contains larger particle-sized bamboo powder, so it is better to use a nozzle with a larger diameter for printing. If you have requirements for model performance, they also offer flame retardant PTG material, high toughness, high melting point TMPP, which is waterproof and corrosion resistant. It also meets food contact safety standard. This means it's not just for industrial use. There's great potential for create more everyday products. TPU flexible material can be used to make many interesting things. TPU model usually has this glossy finish, which can sometimes look less textured. Kexcelled has launched a matte TPU filament, TPU95AM, and also TPU90ALW, which retains TPU characteristics while having excellent forming properties. Shoes printed with it feel like they are woven. During multicolor printing, the waste from the filament changes can also be a recycling solution. Make some decorative paintings. Gundam models also have great texture. It feels like Gundam is a master print for 3D printing enthusiasts now. Sanlu has introduced the CMYK color mixing resin. You can directly pick colors in Photoshop, check the parameters, and mix according to them. In theory, with these 5 bottles of resin, you can get resin in any color. This consumer-grade light curing equipment can directly print elastic resin, which has excellent elasticity. In Kongshi Zaowu, I saw many exquisite IP character models, but what attracted me more was their casting wax resin, used to create exquisite jewelry, combining lots of wax casting, like the little golden bead on a girl's bracelet string. In case the printout in plaster and heated at the high temperature will vaporize and evaporate, leaving a hollow mold. Then you pour in the molten metal. After cooling, you get such exquisite jewelry. Frankenco's display shelf featured many miniature models, extremely exquisite. Even if you are very careful making these tiny parts, accident can easily happen, causing the model to break or crack. That's where the SLA repair putty comes in handy. Apply it like modeling clay to the area need repair. Shine a UV light on it, and the model's flow is fixed. I shared its use in my previous videos, but this time I discovered another practical repair tool, toothpaste putty. You can apply it on the model surface, like squeezing toothpaste. It has better flowability, good at filling fine lines on the model surface. Of course, it's also suitable for FDM prints. Apply this on the surface and then cure it. FDM models can also achieve a smooth surface. Frankenco has provided me with some putty. I'll randomly select 10 friends from the comment section to receive it. There are also more and more tools compatible with 3D printing. Previously, I used a 3D scanner to scan a car. The efficiency of small devices might be limited with roll-point scanning devices. It's like wearing a boxing glove. Even when scanning black parts without needing any markers on them, you can obtain an accurate model. I experienced the Creality scanner offline for the first time. Besides being able to capture model surface details with high precision, turning on the single line mode, also scanning the holes of industrial parts, directly scanning through the openings to the model's interior. I experienced the on-site scanning through holes into the model's interior. For spaces over 10 cm deep, both the internal and the external surfaces can be quickly reverse modeled. The AAA modeling tool boots and nothing displayed, only a computer, because it only needs one picture to generate a high precision model. Even if you directly tell it with a voice or text, it can automatically generate it. Very convenient. I also saw this very popular mechanical structure. Its original creator is Japan's Lingmu Wanwu. He has created many mechanical structure designs, which are ingenious and exquisite. The creator also come to this exhibition. I happened to have a chance to interview him on site.
ものによっては商品化の動きっていうのももちろんあったりしますので、やっぱりそれでどうしても
During the exhibition, I also met the innovation director of Peak Sports, Huang Zheng. The 3D printed shoes he is wearing are about to be released. Peak is also considering putting some digital models on the website, allowing 3D printing enthusiasts to customize their own shoes. The most different booths in the whole venue was the polypolymer. Others was displaying materials and machines, but they brought a large number of 3D printed finished shoes, selling them on site. These shoes are all very elastic and their breathability is beyond doubt. Over a year ago, I saw they were making 3D printed sneakers. Now there are more and more styles. This is a fantastic 3D printing transformation project. The functionality and appearance of these shoes are also irreplaceable by other manufacturing methods, using robotic arms for automatic tree changing and continuous printing. Finally, let's look at the exquisite 3D printing printed exhibit brought by various brands. See if they inspire you. As more efficient and more refined, intelligent manufacturing technologies emerge, more traditional design approaches will be broken. They will be replaced by 3D printing methods with superior material properties and simpler processing. Designers must also continuously integrate and understand various new technologies, incorporating them into their knowledge base in order to create more unique works. Alright, that's all for this tour summary of the Formnext 3D printing exhibition. I hope you can give a like to show your support. I will keep sharing more awesome tech and creative stuff too. Catch you in the next video.